How to create a flowchart in Word. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open MS Word document. Click on the insert option at the top. Once you do, go to SmartArt and choose the option of hierarchy. Now here you can choose any one of the table. Once you do, simply click on OK, and now the flowchart has been inserted in your document. To simply insert text in this, you can see the option of text pane at the top left corner. Simply click on it. Click on text 1 and simply enter your main text. Then after, go to the next text, and as you can see there is a difference of sign, which means it is connected to the first one. To add another text in this level, simply click on enter, and when you go to next one, you can see it is connected to the above one. So that's it. That is how easily you can insert flowchart in your MS Word document. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.